Peter, and this is Code for Kids. Today we are going to try to find the biggest number from a list of numbers using Python. To start, let's create a list with numbers. I assign some numbers totally random, and as you can see, the biggest number in this list is number 8 near the end. Now how do we go about finding the maximum? One idea is to have a variable known maximum which will keep track of the maximum that we have found so far and iterate through each element of this list, and if we find something that's bigger than the known maximum, reassign the value. So let's try to implement that. We will need to have the known maximum variable. Let's assign that to none because at the beginning we do not know what the maximum might be. And we will need a loop which will go through each number in this list. To check if our program is working so far, let's print every number in this list. And there it is. As you can see, every number in a new line from the list, just as it is on the screen. Now let's add the logic. If the known maximum is smaller than the current number, then assign that number to the known maximum variable. Okay, this is it. Now we are supposedly have the known maximum as the maximum of the list. Let's see if this is indeed... Oh, it doesn't work. There's an error. The less than operator is not supported between instances of none-type and int. Okay, that means that we will need to pick a different initial value, and we could pick an arbitrary number, but then we risk that our list might not actually include any such number. So to stay on the safe side, let's use the first element of the list. This will work as long as there's at least one element in the list. Okay, let's try to run it again, and as you can see, it is on the console, number 8 is found. Fantastic. Let's see how the program actually works. Let's pop the debugger. As you can see, there's the list of numbers in memory, and there's also the known max variable already assigned the value 7 from the first element of the list. Now the debugger is standing at the loop, and we can go through it. Step by step, as you can see, it takes the first element, number 7. It is not bigger than the known maximum, so it goes for the next one. That's still not bigger, and the next one still not bigger, and now we have number 8, which is actually bigger than the known maximum, so the condition kicks in, and then we do the assignment as well. Take the next element, number 4, there's nothing to do, and we are all set. The final result is printed to the console. Now, in Python, you don't actually have to implement a maximum search every time you want to do it. There's a convenient built-in function called max, which can do this exact same thing for you, and even more. Let's see, and indeed it is identical results for our list, and this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you very much.